Hello guys, welcome to channel Make to IT, and today we are going to see one of the most important service that AWS has provided, that is a Route 53. And while seeing the Route 53, you will get a clear idea that what is Route 53. So 53 basically it is a port number of DNS. Okay, so DNS is a domain network system, and why we use this? We used to convert name or host name into IP address. Okay, so let's consider that you have searched www.netflix.com and you want to get a response from that servers, or maybe like you can just understand that you want to access that site. Then what happen? You have to, first of all, you have to provide, you have to create a request, right? So you are creating a request basically, that searching on Google, that basically you are creating a request. So that request will directly go to the DNS, okay, not directly go to the Netflix servers. That first go with to the DNS, and then DNS that resolve that request, and then it will go to the that server, and from that servers you will get the response. So that is called as a DNS, and that is the work of DNS. Okay, so let's understand what is this Amazon Route 53 service, and what are the functionality it will provide you. Okay, so Route 53 also provide a DNS management, okay, traffic management, as well as availability monitoring and domain registration. Okay, so this is the beauty of this service. You can just you will get there are multiple sites to create domains. There are like host engines, or maybe you have heard one of the wild use site, that is a GoDaddy. Okay, so let's understand. But no, we are not talking about that. We just understanding why DNS is so important. What is the flow of that? Okay, so let's get started with one of the simple diagram that I have, and I will show you each and every step that what is the process of DNS and how you will get a response from the server, and how there are millions of or billions of websites are here. Then how DNS is managing all that things, and all the DNS providers like AWS, their GoDaddy, Hostingers, they are all are in sync. So basically, if you are just type if you want to create your website, and you want to take a do a DNS do a netflix.com, then you can't take that, right? Because it's already uh, Netflix has, right? So you can't create a same website with that name, right? So that is the beauty of DNS. So it's unique, first of all, and you have to there are multiple now lots of people nowadays are doing the business of domains. If you know that if you know the Anupam Mittal, yeah, I'll tell you the scenario that how the people's doing the business with the help of DNS. Okay, if you heard about Anupam Mittal, before Shadi.com, the site name was Sagai.com. Okay, but one of the person has already taken the DNS name of Shadi.com, but Anubhav Mittal has want to pivot his business and change the name of the DNS of his website, bro. So what he does, what he contacted that person, and he asked some like he has offered the money. That time he has given 25 lakh to that person to buy that particular domain DNS. Okay, that is a Shazi.com. And nowadays you can see, so there are a lot of people doing the DNS business right now. Okay, but yeah, hope you got my point that what I want to say. Okay, so let's understand what is DNS and how the flow is happen. Okay, and after seeing this video, I'm pretty much sure that you will get a lot of idea about what is in the picture, and I will tell you each and everything about the how DNS works and what is the flow. Okay, so let's get started. So let me just select the color. That's I'm taking the green one. Okay, so let's consider that you are here and you have searched www.example.com. Okay, so this is your second step, and this is your DNS resolver. Then that request will go to the DNS root name server, and in DNS it will search. This is a TLD, top level domain. Okay, top level domain. Okay, so let me just add here. This is TLD, TLD. There is a top level domain. Okay, so what TLD does? TLD search by using your domain name. So, and you know, in DNS, your searching will start from left to right, right to left, sorry, right to left. Okay, so your searching will start from this side. In DNS, you're searching of the particular top level TLD from right to left. Okay, so you have to understand here. Okay, so let me just add the point as well here. Uh, in DNS, so the TLD will search. TLD will search from right to left. Okay, right to left. So in this case, first .com, then dot example, com, dot example, dot www. Okay, so first it will check the .com. So DNS resolver check there. So it will that go to that particular TLD, and the request goes to the DNS resolver. Then it will check that there is a that particular .com domain is available. So if it is available, then it will go to the next step. That is it will forward to the name server for .com TLD. It will check in that particular server, and once it's get they if they found that this particular DNS is already present here, then it will go to the route 53 name server. Then it will go to the that particular server. It will again check in that in DNS resolver, and that request goes to the Amazon Route 53 name server. Okay, and here you finally find that this kind of domain or this website is present in the domain registry. So domain server, and that server will convert your name or host name into IP address, and that is the work of DNS resolver. Okay, once your IP address you got, that particular IP address will get to your computer, and that will store in your cache. That is a temporary memory is there that will store in your cache. So when you access again the same website, then this process not going to happen again. Okay, so next time you directly go to that particular web server. Okay, so what it does, so next, so then your request will go to the web server or that particular Netflix or web server or Netflix server, and you will get the response from that whatever you are trying to access. Okay, so this is the process of DNS and how you will get the response when you hit any URL. Okay, so that is the back end of this process, and you have to make sure that you remember this whole diagram, because no one going to tell you such kind of flow. Okay, while dealing with that. Okay, so yeah, hope so guys you get a lot of idea about this DNS thing and Route 53 service, and you can just replace this Route 53 with a multiple different servers. Okay, multiple DNS provider, DNS server. Okay, yeah. So yeah, so that's the whole scenario that we have given here and we have created. So thank you for watching guys. Please share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.